Ah, masarap ba?
Masarap.
Ha?
Masarap. Ano ito? Tofu?
Hello guys, welcome back to SYBS Picayune. This video is about Japanese style tofu fried steak. And my sister Edna actually has her version of this recipe. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you my version of it. Actually, I don't eat beef, therefore I use ground turkey instead. Here in the US, you can always get ground turkey meat. I use the 93% ground turkey meat, and I made it just the way she makes it. It came out real well. So please subscribe to SYBS Picayune, follow me on Instagram, and like us in Facebook, and learn more about East-West life, and follow me in the kitchen. Start by cutting our firm tofu into cubes, squares, or rectangular, however you like it, just like that. And then with some tapioca flour, you're probably gonna need about a half a cup or so. You dredge your tofu into the tapioca flour, tap it off excess flour, and set it aside. Repeat the process until all your tofu are covered with tapioca flour. You all know tofu is rich in protein. It's a good source of non-animal protein. Then you deep fry your tofu just like that. But if I'm gonna do my version, I'll probably pan fry it. We'll see. Of course, you turn it, fry it until it's brown. And then place it on your paper towel to drain excess fat. Now with 2 to 3 cloves of garlic chopped, you saute that. And then you add a little ginger, then some red chili pepper. That's optional, or you can put a little bit more or less depending how hot you like your tofu with. And then half a yellow onion or shallot. I need a couple of shallots here until softened. And then you need about half a pound of ground beef. Since I don't eat beef, I'm gonna be using ground turkey for sure. Then you add 5 Shitake mushroom sliced. And about 4 tablespoons of Japanese soy sauce. I'll probably put a little less until it starts simmering. And then you're gonna add 2 tablespoons of mirin. Mirin is a Japanese cooking wine. And then about 2 tablespoons or so of sugar. Stir. And then about a 1/4 cup of water. And then about a tablespoon of sesame oil to top it off. And then you make your cornstarch slurry. Cornstarch slurry is basically a mixture of cornstarch and water. And when it's all done, you top this meat mixture over your fried tofu. There you have it. That's the finished product. Sure looks good. I'm gonna show you my version of it.
Alakazam.
And there it is. That's my version, using ground turkey. Yum yum. That's my tofu steak. Smells good, Edna. That's my version. Tastes a little spicier than I wanted it, so hopefully Mom can eat. Yep. That's it. That's my version. How you like it, honey?
Looks good from up here.
All right. Let's eat. Ah, masarap ba?
Masarap.
Ha?
Masarap. Kami ito tofu. I do not do the tofu. I can't do again.